Hey, morning. After quite a while, I'm doing solo. So I'm heading on Centennial Ridge Trail. It leads to Mount Allen. I don't know how far would I go. First target is Olympic Summit, and I'll see the conditions beyond that one, and we'll see if I can go up to Mount Allen or not. It's been quite a while since I hiked solo, but let's see how it goes. I'm starting early. It's 8:25 in the parking lot at the moment. If I need to go to Mount Allen, it's going to take around 6 hours, 7 hours maybe, I don't know. So let's see. See you in a bit. So almost half an hour into the trail. This is where I came from, and well, this way is the Centennial Ridge. So it's been nice so far. The trail has fresh snow on it. As per mountain weather forecast, it snowed about 3 centimeters in the last couple of days. It's going to be hard to walk in snow if it is deep, even though I have spikes, but I don't have snowshoes, so let's see. The weather has been very nice. I saw some scary foggy patches on the Highway 1 when I was coming in this morning from Calgary. It was thick, dense fog at few places, but overall it is expected to be clear blue sky today, at least for the AM portion of the day. Afternoon might be a bit cloudy, but let's hope for the best. 9:28, almost an hour since I hit the trail, and I'm about 2 kilometers or 2 point something, 2.1 or 2.2 kilometers into the trail. Not bad in an hour. It was quite steep, and I was in the tree line all the time, and this is the first viewpoint, which I can call as a viewpoint, which you can see. This is the trail which I came from, and I'll have to go that way. So, but I just wanted to share with you this gorgeous view. In the background, that's Mount Kidd, I believe, and then all those other mountains. I do have their names. I just checked in the peak finder right now. Those are really gorgeous. It's been a nice hike so far. I've been struggling, huffing and puffing my way up, but so it's quite a steep climb from that viewpoint. It's I'm climbing up. It's rated as hard. I think it's true, because it's not technically hard, but it's hard on your legs and your muscles because of how steep it is. So it reminds me of Mount Burke, which I did a while ago in summer. That was also almost the same kind of thing. You keep climbing, you keep moving up and up and up. This is almost the same thing. When being solo, you have to push and pull yourself. Even though you can take the breaks at your own pace, but still, sometimes I feel it's better to be in a group. But then doing solo has its own advantages. So far, other than that one viewpoint, there had been nothing so special in terms of views around this trail. I'll keep you posted as I move along. So far, this is how the trail looks like all the way. (10:06), almost hour and a half into the trail, and like about half an hour ago I was down there in that kind of meadows you see over there. I took a picture from there when I captured this Mount Kid from there. So it took me about half an hour to climb from there up till here where I am at the moment. I don't know, it looks like I'm out of the tree line now, but you never know. This has so much false summits. This is the way to go up. This patch is pretty tricky. I'm out of the tree line now, but this steep incline is a killer. You have few switchbacks here and there, but overall this is pretty steep in a very short distance. And it's super windy at the moment, but it's bright and sunny with some clouds, but overall the weather's not that bad. And I don't know how far I am from the first target, which was the Olympic summit, but it looks like I'm climbing forever. Show you the view. (11:08) time at the moment. I've gone quite high so far, but I think that that's the peak. I still have to go to reach summit, which is the destination. This is the view, and give you a bit of perspective of how steep this is. I don't know if GoPro can capture that guy coming up. So I started all the way from over there. When I started climbing up out of that tree line. This is how far I have gone. Some interesting rock formation here. Which is making this hike a bit interesting at this stage. It's been very windy, very windy. The wind was almost like burning the face. So I put on the other toque. So I don't know what's beyond this point for me, but let's see. Okay. Oh. So this is what I have. Oh my God. See those gulls up there? That is where I have to be. Mountain goats. So cute. It's getting super windy, super windy at the moment, and really doubtful how long I'm going to be moving up, because it looks like it's false peak after every false peak. I've done so many peaks, and due to that blowing wind and blowing snow, it's like I've lost the track. Even though I had a couple of other hikers in front of me, and I was following up their footsteps, but it looks like all of their footsteps are gone now. I can't find the trail. Let me take from all trails to find the trail. It is so satisfying to see in the back where you came from. So starting from over there, that's where I started, and I came all along this, and then like this. Look at the gorgeous view, isn't it? Outstanding. It's still quite windy, but 12:30, so 4 hours, and I'm officially at Olympic Summit as per all trails. And if I'm not wrong, the Mount Allen is right over there, and you see I'll have to go down from here, down over there, and then climb up. Group of three, which was ahead of me, they're right there. I don't know. Zoom in and I can show that one. It's a nice view. Would have been better if it would happen a bright sunny day without any wind, but you can't have everything. So I'm still a bit doubtful about interesting rock formation. Looks like I'm passing through the sets of a movie. Look at all these boulders and rocks, and see, everywhere. It's like an ocean of boulders. Show you around. This trail is really testing. Endurance test. Your muscles test. Still moving ahead. I don't know how far can I go though. I have passed that Olympic Summit. Let's see. So almost 1:30. Super windy. Which is So I'm at the peak of Mount Allan. Finally made it at 2:45. Unfortunately, my GoPro died due to cold temperature over here, and it is freaking windy here, man. Very windy. It's really hard to even keep standing. Back now. That is where I was about 20 minutes ago. So it took me about an hour to go from here to the top. 20 minutes to get down, but man, it's windy. It is very windy. I'm still trying to find a shelter where I can have my lunch.